Hello and welcome. Today we are making the Wavelength bag. This is an Etsy pattern that is a bit of a difficult pattern, but the designer did amazing and it is really easy to follow the instructions. So if you are new and you want a little bit of a challenge, I think this is a really good project. So let me show you my process of making this bag. I have the exterior strap and the exterior bag piece, and I'm going to sew. I put a little bit extra on the bottom because I didn't have enough fabric to fold it over to cut on the fold. So I just made a 1/2 inch, and I'm going to sew 1/2 inch on the strap, and then I'm going to interface it and cut out the lining pieces. Yes. Love you. When you're using fusible interfacing, you want to use the bumpy side of the interfacing up and then your right sides down with the fabric so that good sides are facing up, and that way the glue is actually attaching to the fabric. Oh, it matches. So cute. They also say that the best thing to do is to press down instead of like wiggling. I'm just fusing the interfacing to all of the exterior pieces. This is also like it's like a felt interfacing, if that makes any sense. It's what it feels like. I don't remember what they call it, but that's what it feels like. The last piece is the strap. I'm going to press the seam that I sewed in the center because my fabric wasn't long enough, so I had to add some seam allowance to one end. I think you could do this project in like a day and a half if you cut everything out, fused it one day, and then one day of sewing. This will take me a couple of days just because we have a baby. I'm taking the lining bag and then the lining pocket, and I'm lining up the area for where the zipper goes. I just marked it, and now I'm going to be sewing around this marked line to create the pocket bag. Thank you so much for watching. This is how the bag came out. I'm absolutely obsessed with it and wish I was keeping it for myself, but it is a gift for my sister-in-law. I didn't show you, but I hand stitched this D-ring on. If you're new to sewing and you want some really cool patterns, highly recommend checking out Etsy because there are some great patterns on there. Okay, we're gonna go and package this up. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.